2 minutes in. What? Did you expect this?
I know what was gonna happen. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh! What it is, what it be, what it do, dope! Another dope day is about to go down. And we got me, Lauren, Jordan,
Slash Taylor.
And this is Adventure Sam.
How's it going, guys?
I've decided to call you Adventure Sam because every time you're around, we go on some type of adventure.
Awesome. I like
And
that.
today, you're gonna take us on another adventure?
We doing it.
I love how you're taking us on an adventure. We live here. How does that work?
We have one more person left to complete the crew, and then the adventure begins. And the final person of the squad has arrived. Hey! We went into a gas station to get snacks and drinks, and Sam comes out with all these healthy things.
There's only one.
And I come out with candy and stuff. I had to get this. This is disgusting. It's just straight coffee. He's drinking straight coffee with no sugar, no cream at all. I had to get at least a little sugar. That's the healthiest way to go, but that's just crazy, people. And I also got Uncrustables, necessity for every road trip. We have made it to the destination. We are in Malibu somewhere, out here in the wilderness, and we're about to go jump off some cliffs. It's gonna be dope.
Ready? Yeah, see?
Oh!
All right, well, that's very agile, but you didn't jump. That was very nice, very quick, but I didn't see any jumping. Where are we right now? Are we in the upside down?
Be careful!
Be careful.
Woo, it's cold.
Good, right?
Ooh, ooh. Is he good? Good?
Yeah.
Is it cold? Oh, they're lying. They're both lying.
You good?
Yeah. Oh my god!
Oh, that tuck though. That tuck.
Okay, let's see what you got, baby.
My name is Wassabi, and I am going to be doing a triple axle back quadruple flip.
Oh, very nice. Oh my god. Woo!
Alright, 3, 2, 1, jump.
This is what happens when all your friends are filmers. We got YouTubers, we got videographers, we got
Adventure Sam.
Adventure Sam is here. Well, you like that nickname? I think it's a good one. Adventure Sam? Nice. And this is Chicken Nugget. You want to see her chicken nugget waddle? She has a waddle that chicken nuggets do.
Let's see it.
She can't do it here, but she'll do it in a little bit. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Alright.
Oh my gosh, you guys are like body twins.
You guys just won tickets to the Met Ball.
Unnecessary boy things. Take 1. Praying for Sam's nuts. Oh god.
Oh, okay.
Oh! Oh, woo!
I'll be right back.
No way. Yeah. Hammock in a cave, game over. Game over.
Adventure Sam, lead the way.
Yo, I don't know how I'm gonna fit through here with my bag.
Oh yeah, you might want to leave it. All right.
Just go up and over this one that's right here.
Adventure time, come on, tell your friends. We'll go to very distant lands. Jake the dog and Finn the human. The fun will never end, it's adventure time. It's an adventure time song, what are you talking about? Everybody and their grandma knows that song.
With Jake the dog and Finn.
He knows the song. Never end, it's adventure time. Oh, cave number 2.
Cave 2.
Let's go. I don't know if I can vlog and do it, but you know I'm gonna try.
What it is, what it be, what it do.
We have made it to the bottom of this. How high do you think that is? 100 feet? What? No, like 60?
The dam?
Yeah. 60?
No.
It's like 10 feet?
40?
40? No way!
Yeah, it's that.
That is so much higher than 40.
No, that's 40.
No way, that's 60.
Hey.
Hey Sam, I know you're busy right now, but who's the best YouTube couple you know?
Oh damn, that's a hard one. I don't know many, but Number one's gotta be Wassabi DIY.
What? Oh, you mean Lorax?
Yeah, they're my parents actually.
Oh yeah. I forgot. Me and Lauren adopted you in Hawaii.
Yeah, you did.
Alright,
Hold both of them down until it turns off. Down, down, yeah.
Nice. There's a deer. Hey deer. Let's be friends. Can you hear me? If you hear me, don't move.
Oh my god, he hears you.
He hears me. Yeah, it's alive.
Wait, is it rattle? Wait,
Yeah.
Is it dangerous?
Yeah, it's dangerous.
Can I pick it up?
You can by its tail, but it's about to get away, and if he
so?
bites you, you're done.
Sam, those are more dangerous than the grown ones.
Are you tired, my little chicken nugget?
Chicken nugget tired.
Why are you so tired?
Oh, chicken nugget.
Well, are you too tired for a chicken nugget waddle?
Maybe one more chicken nugget waddle.
Chicken nugget waddle power! Oh my gosh! Why are you stopping? All right. We're like
Yeah, I'm a little
over halfway. But is this gonna be worth it, Adventure Sam?
Might be.
Come on, ladies. You're over halfway. All right.
You're filming?
Nah.
Oh shit.
Alex Wassabi, youtube.com/Wassabi Productions. This is what scared Ava looks like.
Sketchy. It's like bending.
Really?
Yes. Like walk on it.
Nope, you walk on it.
No, you're heavier. You walk right here. Look, it's. Do you see this?
Yeah, but it's fine. That's what metal does. It
No,
bends.
we're chilling. We're chilling.
We're good. Come on. Come on, don't be scared. Come on.
Why do we go down the slippiest hills? And you never vlog the parts where I do good on the hike.
Come on. Run to me. I'll catch you. Run. Ugh. Got you. Safety.
Safety.
Adventure day is complete and my hair is a mess, and I want to show you guys something that I didn't know about for years and years and years, and I showed my dad, and he's like 50 and he didn't know about it. And Sam, do you know about it? Come here, look.
Let's see. Oh, I knew about this.
No, this.
Oh. What? No.
On every car you can hang a cap right there. How you doing? My dad didn't know about it. He's 50. Lauren didn't know about it, and then you didn't know about it, and now we all know.
Yeah.
I wonder how many people watching don't know about it.
But why do you need this? Like,
It's just so you don't let it hang on your car and gas gets all over the place. You have to put it somewhere.
Nice.
And every car has it, but it looks different on every car. Crazy. Mind blown. What it is, what it be, what it do, though. Last night, I actually had part of the vlog that I didn't put in. I ended it with the adventures, but there was something really cool that I did, but after doing it and looking back at the footage, I realized it was not dope enough, and I could make it doper. So I'm on the way to the store right now to get materials to show you this epicness, and it's gonna blow your mind. It blew my mind yesterday, but I'm gonna make it so much more epic. You don't even know. You don't even believe me. Okay, fine. Don't believe me then. Why are you following me? If you don't believe me, stop following me. Hey, chill. Hey, you stay in here. Ow! Right now I am going to get the products to show you guys this really cool thing I want to show you. But before I show you, I'm gonna take you to this Vanity Fair thing tonight. I think it's for YouTubers or something, I don't know. So today's agenda, get cool things, go to this party thingy, and then show you the cool thing. Have arrived to a specific grocery store because they are the only ones that have it that I've seen. Now we just gotta find it. The materials needed for the dope epicness tonight are acquired. We have them right here. They're right here. But first, let's see what Lauren's up to. Dang! Look at that cutie dough. Get it. That's my girlfriend. That's my girlfriend. And she's super duper cute. Get it, girl. Ready for a fun night? outside. Nice. We don't usually go out, as you can see in the vlogs. We like to stay in or hang out with our core group of friends, but
We're being social. Let it
we're
be
being
documented.
social,
Let it-
yes.
Okay, need to go home now. No more social. No more social.
We're being social. We try to get out, but you know, each other's company is enough for us. Or it's weird, we don't go out mostly because my brother lives with me, my girlfriend lives down the block, my best friend lives next door, my other friends are really close, and we all would rather stay in and play video games and hang out than go out, but sometimes it's good to be out in the world and be out and about. But you almost ready to go so we can do that really cool thing that we did yesterday, but I didn't put it in the vlog, but now I'm going to.
Yep.
Because we can do it better.
Yep.
Nice. I bought everything.
You did?
Yeah, except for the jumbo ones. They didn't have jumbo ones, but we can make it jumbo. I'm gonna start vlogging you more without saying anything. I'm just gonna see what you do. Chicken nugget waddle power! Go! Chicken nugget waddle power! Thank you, Vanity Fair, for having this YouTube creator event. We saw a lot of friends, we had a lot of fun, but now it's time for pizza. And then I'm gonna show you some of that dope. It's gonna be awesome. It is finally time to show you this cool thing that I've wanted to show you for a long time. I actually tested it out yesterday. It blew my, you don't even know. Aaron and Sarah have not seen this, so we're about to blow their minds. And Lauren's gonna watch it again, and I'm gonna watch it, and it's gonna be dope. Time to put this marshmallow in the microwave. First, put a marshmallow on a paper plate. I don't have a paper plate, but I have a bowl. And if you turn it upside down, it looks cool. Just watch it, my friends.
Isn't it bad to stare at a microwave?
No. Oh, it doesn't. I guess it's not working.
Oh.
It's not gonna work.
What's it supposed to do? Fall over?
It's supposed to, like, do that.
Is it roasting?
Oh,
No, watch it. Look. Oh!
Is that getting bigger?
It's like the marshmallow monster from
Oh my gosh!
Yeah, it's not gonna blow up.
No.
How big does it get?
It gets pretty big. That's pretty big.
What?
I know. It's crazy, right?
That's so funny.
So crazy. Look at
Have you
that.
ever put it in for longer than that?
No, but it just starts toasting. I mean, I have, but it just starts toasting. Round 2. Oh. Here we go. Oh, they're getting big. Oh, they're gonna overflow.
Lucky Charms. It tastes like Lucky Charms.
Oh my gosh. Look what happened. They all fell off. Marshmallow shish kebab.
No, it's not. It's
Wait, probably not there. Oh no. It's falling. Oh no. It's getting stuck to the glass.
It's so dirty.
Darn it. All right. Oh, wait, maybe, yeah. Oh no. Ooh. Oh. What? Whoa. Did it explode? Final round. This is not gonna be good. This is gonna be so bad. Here we go. Nothing yet. Oh,
we lost one.
What? Wait. What? It's not doing anything.
Something's happening. It's definitely getting bigger.
You think? I feel like the ones in the middle. Oh, okay. All right. Okay.
yeah, see, that's how it's
That's
blowing
a soup. It's a marshmallow soup now.
Whoa, look at a nest.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. Oh my gosh. What?
Oh, that actually shows it better.
That looks so good. Oh my gosh, look at that! Oh, we need more time. Okay, here we go again. Oh, 2 minutes in. What? Did you expect this?
I know what was gonna happen. Oh my gosh.
Oh
look
my gosh!
It looks like a brain, a marshmallow brain.
Look, it's completely encompassed the bowl. It is so deflated.
Oh, it's hot. It's careful.
Oh, is it like one now?
It's one Marshy.
What? What? Oh my gosh, I eat this. That's not bad.
No idea.
Whoa, it's completely deflating. Oh no. Oh.
I'm gonna make some out of that too.
Ow, 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 it's hot. That's hot. That was crazy. I don't care who you are. Like, even if you've seen that before, that was insane. Tomorrow, I have an equally insane thing that I've been hiding from Lauren, and I'm gonna show her tomorrow, and I'll show you guys, and I promise, trust me, it's gonna be on that dope. Welcome to the end of vlog.
Hey!
Why?
Because we're missing everybody's.
Every time. Don't not him too.
What do you mean not him? He's 25% of the family.
I'm gonna put him in the microwave and see what happens to him.
You're gonna put...
Yeah.
I'll put you in the microwave. Oh my god, nobody breathe. No, hold your noses. Nobody breathe. Nobody breathe. No!
Hope you guys.
Oh, it's like doo-doo. Can nobody breathe?
I hope you guys enjoyed that marshmallow thing. I really cannot believe I went my whole life without seeing that.
I can't believe I've done that for fun.
Have you ever seen it to that extent?
No, because I just get scared.
Yeah, that was.
And also now you have to clean the microwave, and it was never worth it for me. Oh, there's a ghost. Okay.
I think it was worth it, and I have a lot more things like that, little things that I want to show you guys. I'm gonna show you like every day. I'll show you something new or something cool. And you ready? I'll show you what we're gonna do today.
Right now?
But I'm not gonna show you guys. But you can see it on tomorrow's vlog. You ready?
Yeah. What does that even mean?
You'll see. Just wait. What is behind my hand is gonna blow your mind. I'm telling you. I'll explain it to you later. But it's, woo, buddy. You're gonna, just wait. Just wait. Tomorrow's vlog is gonna be lit. So make sure to come back. It's gonna be silly. It's gonna be out of this world. It's gonna attract you to the vlogs. Oh, is that too many hints? You think they're gonna get it from that?
I don't know. You're the worst at hint giving.
Tomorrow's vlog is gonna shine bright.
Like a diamond.
Like a diamond. Here, I'll show them the back of it.
No, because someone's gonna do some crazy CSI stuff and go figure out.
How about
exactly
this?
what
How
it
about
is.
this? Sorry guys, can't show you. Gotta come back tomorrow. Until I see you again, which will be tomorrow. As always, do me a favor, don't forget to remember, if you're not smiling, you're doing it wrong. Okay, bye.